Entering data into Excel can be very tedious for some people, navigating into several cells, entering data. But what if you are told you could enter data directly to Excel using a form like this? So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So you can enter new files or new data into Excel by filling form. You can navigate through the various data or rows within the same form. You can search, then you can delete, and so on and so forth very nicely, and no hassle at all. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. All right, so let's check it out. Okay, so here you can see what you can also, if you some kind of validation, you can see that when I entered 0, it did not accept it because I have made it to reject any number that is 0. So you can also, like I said, you can search, you can enter new record, you can delete existing records, and so on and so forth. So let's see what I say. You can see I'm deleting, so it's asking me if I'm going to delete. So all those kind of things that you would do on normal applications. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do in this video. So this is a blank environment. You can see that just the headers that we have, or the column head. So what we'll do, in order to work with tables or work with forms, so what you do is you need to first convert this file or this environment into a table. So what you do, you click around here. So in this place, click and yes, you press Ctrl T. So once you press Ctrl T, it gives you this kind of environment. So what you're going to do is to, in my case, I don't need that formatting. Just remove the format. Click on that place, then remove it to be somehow normal like this, as you can see. All right. So remember, you press Ctrl T to do that. So just fill in the various. Just enter. Let me enter product ID on this one. PID 01 under the product ID column. Then the order date. Just fill in the order date like that. So here the item and all the other things like the unit cost, and all those ones, will enter it using the form. So in order to create the form, click on that little down arrow there. Then once you click on it, it gives you this Excel option. So look for command not in the ribbon like that, or ribbon, depends on how you want to pronounce it. Then scroll down, it's in alphabetical order. Look for form, select it, and look at this area. See that it's blank here now. So click on add. So it will be added to the right side. See that the form has been added. So if you look up here, look at that. See that it is now there. So click on it. It will show this kind of things. It will populate the input fields based on what you currently have there. As you can see. So I have this item. Just add iPhone 15 Pro Max. Then the unit cost, and so on. Enter it. So just press enter. Once you press enter, it will accept it. So for that of order date, same thing. Once you have done that, press enter, then it will accept it. So like that, enter. So see that it has accepted it. So just fast forward the rest. So now you can see that I have all the other ones right here like that. All right, so see that I can navigate by clicking on the find next, then find previous, or prev, which stands for previous. So I can navigate back and forth like that. Okay, so I can click if I want to enter a new record. I'll just click on new like that. Then I can also look for for example, if you have entered new record and you don't want to, you say, no, I shouldn't have entered it, just click on restore, it goes back. So to enter a new record, click on the new button there. So it gives you this blank page, then you fill it accordingly based on the input field, the label for the input field, as you can see here. Once you have done that, like I said, you click on or press enter on your keyboard. So once I see that it is added to it, as you can see right here. Okay, so that's basically what you have from this end. Then you can search. Okay, so then you can do, like I said, you can do search. Then you can do things like validation. That's what I'm going to do on this one. So let's validate this, meaning that we don't want the system to accept records that we do not want. So highlight the area that you want to validate, this area you want to validate like this. Click on data, as you can see here. Then look for this little icon there. Now you have data validation. Click on it, then select data validation. So it gives you something like this. So what you can see here is that you have so many. You have three tabs here. So on that place, on this particular one, let it be whole number. Then here select not equal to. So we don't want anything that is not equal to that is equal to 0. So you enter the error message that will show even before the user click on that, some kind of a preview like that. So fill that one. So you say we don't want any record that is 0 to be there. Okay. All right. So you select that. So you have options here. So you enter the error on the title that will be. Then you can also select the error icon, as you can see here. Then enter the error message that you want the user to see. So as you can see that it shows error, entry error. As you can see here, you can see that item cannot be 0. So if I change this unit now to 0, so let me change that. So if I change it to 0, okay, let me change to 0. So if I click on press enter now, so you see that it's giving me this error that item cannot be item unit cannot be 0. So as you can see right here. Okay, so but if I enter a proper number and I say that it accepts it. Okay, so that's basically what you have there. Then of course you can navigate, you can do other things like, then you can also delete. So as I want to delete this, see that it's showing me the, of course I didn't do this, is inbuilt, it's part of the design by Excel or by Microsoft. Okay, so so you have that. So you can see that. Then if you want it to accept, to affect other one that you didn't get to, other rows, so what you do, just drag it down as you would normally do. Just drag it down, then it will automatically pick the settings. Okay, so of course you cannot change the number to whatever it is you want. So this validation will also affect anything, any rows that you drag it to. Just so as you can see that I didn't accept it. So I also try to enter 0. You can do other things like less than, greater than, all those kind of things. You can also put it there, and you see that it accepts it if it's done. They can search by using the greater than sign. So I'm searching for anything that is 2. So you can search for other items. So for example, now here I'm finding anyone that is 2. Consider 2. Then this 2 here under, consider 1. So like here now, so if I'm searching for something that is let's say equal to 3, so you can see that anyone that is 3 will show forth like this. Okay, that anyone that unit is 3, basically. You can also search with name and so on. So if I come here to say I'm searching for anything that is greater than 4, so automatically it will show me 5. All right, so you can see it here. So that's basically what you have there. All right, so I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not done so already. Then like the video and share it. See you in another video. Thank you.